Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how you can use your TikTok Lite mobile application. It is super easy and simple, so we are here to guide you through that process. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you find it helpful. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open up your TikTok Lite application, and then you'll be met with your TikTok home feed. And in your For You page or your home page, you'll be finding different videos of other people. You can just scroll to watch others' videos in your For You page, or you can also create your own video as well. In order to create your own video, you have to focus on the plus sign at the bottom bar of your screen. You need to click on the plus sign, and then you have your camera open. And as you can see, you have a recording option ready. But before recording, if you want to add sound, you can see at the top of your screen, you'll see the sounds option. You need to click on the sounds option, and you can choose any of the trending music here, and you can put it on to your video as you require. And now you can press on the recording, and then you can record your video, and you are done with making a video. And if you want to post it, you can click on the next button, and then you can directly post it. So this is how you upload a video on TikTok. After you have uploaded your video, you can go and check your video on your profile, and that your profile is on the Me section. And there you go. The video you've just made is in your profile now. Similarly, you can also go to your home, your For You, and you can also like others' video by tapping on the heart icon. You can also comment on others' videos, just like this. And you can also follow the person who has put on the video if you like them, or if you like their content, by clicking on the plus sign right at the bottom of their profile picture. Great, now you have followed this person. You can also click on this profile picture to go check out the other person's profile. And you can keep scrolling, and suppose you come to a sound that you like, you can see at the bottom of your screen, just above your Me icon, you'll see a disc-like icon. You can click on here, and you'll see the people who have used this sound. And if you really like this sound, and if you want to put it or use this sound for your next video, then you can click on Add to Favorites, and your video will be added to favorites. Or if you want to use the sound right now and then, you can also click on this Use the Sound button right at the bottom of your screen. If you want to search for a particular video or a particular content creator, you can also click on the Discover icon just at the right of your home icon. And you can search for any trend or any sort of content creator right here, or even your friends, family. And you can also see that all the trending hashtags will be provided to you right here on the Discover option. If you want to participate on any of these trends, you can always go ahead and do the trend. If you want to talk to you or message to your friends, then you can use the inbox option, and you can send the message by clicking on this arrow at the top right corner. And if you have friends added, you can select the friends, and then you can start messaging with them. And this is your profile, where you can see your following, followers, and likes. Also, you can see your favorites. You can private your videos, or you can also see your drafts here. And this is it. This is the service level of how you can use your TikTok Lite application. It is super easy and simple. and also a very useful application, fun to use and very entertaining. We hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down what do you want to see next. Thank you.